In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of YouTube live stream not loading. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or also you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, try reducing the stream quality. If the video is set to a higher resolution like 1080p and keeps buffering, lower it to 720p or even 480p. This can help stream load more smoothly, especially if your internet speed is limited. If that does not work, make sure your YouTube app is updated. Go to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Finally, if the issue still is not resolved, try reinstalling the app. Completely delete YouTube app from your device. Give a first restart to a device, then reinstall it, and that's it. These are best ways to fix a YouTube live stream not loading. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.